Walk.
Walk on.
Walk on. Kick him. Kick him.
This isn't doing anything.
I want to
Keep going.
kick in China. As hard
Walk
as
on.
you
He's amused by this.
Don't let him hit the barrel. I said
You're
don't.
the only horse I know that just like plows.
Make him walk. Don't.
I don't get why.
Boomer, walk.
He walked through it before.
Boomer,
I
walk
walked
on.
through it again.
Boomer, walk on.
If he trips on this, I'm gonna be mad at you.
Walk on, Boomer. Squeeze him. Steer him away.
Take this leg and go like that.
There you go.
Keep throwing
Yep.
it till he goes. Keep doing it.
Steer him. Like, turn it left rein hard. Yeah, make him go the other way. There you go.
That's how I teach people to kick Clinton.
Go.
Everybody gets a
Squeeze,
feel before
squeeze.
they ride Clinton.
Oh, you're not steering.
He's gonna
Go.
walk into it.
You
No,
crash. Go.
Distracted driver.
No texting and riding.
Apparently not.
Walk on. Walk on.
Go. You're just gonna take off on this.
Yeah,
Laugh.
you'll be good. You wanted a crazy ride.
No, I didn't. This is all your idea.
So-
Where do I want his neck to be?
Right
Straight.
there.
There you go.
His neck to be in China.
Over in China, yeah, that's a good place for it.
Up his ass.
Yep.
Look at you go.
Now you're walking. Now walk over the poles. Steer him.
Yeah, okay.
Steer him.
Is this gonna work or
Steer him.
trip?
Gee, I don't know. Maybe you
Squeeze.
should try and find out.
Squeeze. Don't let him stop.
Yay, Andy.
Now go over the poles up top here. Yeah, go over that. Go over the tarp. Go over the tarp. Squeeze. Squeeze.
Almost like I'm done with this shit.
Alright, kick it again.
Now go over these poles. Look, 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 and squeeze.
This is so hard.
Yeah, it's not easy.
You've been doing this your entire life.
But it's still... You are set.
Good?
Good.